Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Muhammad Sinan Kahfi and I'm from Junior High School to Kratek Bantul, Yogyakarta. And I here will tell you how to make a windmill from used material. I was inspired to make a windmill because my school is so close to the beach and it makes my school full of wine. Do you wanna see how to make it? Let's go. The materials needed to make a windmill are 1 used bottle, knife, wooden stick, a straw, toothpick, and a scissors. Step 1 to make a windmill is cut the side of the bottle using knife. Like this, and then cut it into 6 parts using scissors. This. Step 3. Set it like a flower. Step 4. Make a hole in the center of the cup bottle. Like this. Step 5. Insert the toothpick into the hole. Insert the straw into the windmill. Step 8. Split the end of the wooden stake using knife. Last, step 9. Insert the windmill into the wooden stake. Finally, windmill is ready to be played. And this finally windmill from the sake bottle around my school. I hope this video was useful for you guys. Thank you for watching and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.